Good morning, Paul Georgi from Allendale, July 6, 2010. Well, the dollar this morning is down 38. Crude is up over $1 as we speak. Stock market's expected to open sharply higher, 120 higher right now. The Dow index is. And so that kind of excitement should provide some higher calls across the board in the commodities here today. We got corn 3 to 6 higher, beans 2 to 5 higher, wheat anywhere from 5 to 10 higher, cattle are higher, hogs are higher, and as you look around at other commodities, they look like higher here this morning. So a macro buying attack on markets here today, the way it appears. The news in the economic front has been quiet over the weekend. No new developments out of the European community. Therefore, the dollar is showing a little weakness here today. Crude much higher in a retracement of its sharp decline that we had up until last Friday. So that kind of news carries over into the grain, because fundamental news is certainly not bullish here this morning. You can talk about the bearish news all day long. You got excellent weather conditions here in the U.S., rain in China that relieves some of the drought conditions there. Two major factors. The soybean market, there is excellent growing conditions there, and so therefore we're going to look at this the market today from a technical standpoint. We took out the 100-day moving average in corn overnight, knocking on the 390 level right now in the Dees corn. We expect that there will be some more resistance and much heavier resistance up around that 395 to $4 area. If you get up there, we think there's going to be some producer selling. We know our producers that we talk to, they want to be sellers near that $4 area, and rightfully so, because there isn't a lot of justification for this when you look out at the corn crops throughout Illinois and most of the Midwest. Crop conditions are excellent. USDA will be coming out with their crop conditions here this afternoon. We expect that they should see and could see some improvements again on the good to excellent category. In wheat, there is some positive news there. The European community is expecting that they will only produce 85 million metric tons versus 90 is what was earlier anticipated because of the dry conditions. That may help the wheat and help the psychology of the wheat market, and also the technical action there. We went up against resistance. We close higher here today. You're going to probably have some more buying as we go into the close. In the cattle trade, cutout values there pretty steady on Friday, down just slightly in the choice, down 47 in the select. We expect cattle this week to be following what the attitude of the investor in Wall Street has here early this week. If we see some stronger stock market, stronger cattle futures, we should see the cash cattle trade higher here. Even though we're past the 4th of July, there's some fill-in on because of clearing. Although we're getting into that dog days of summer as we move into the latter part of July, so it's going to be tough to maintain rallies here. But looks like we could be supported here early this week. In the hogs, cutout values are higher there on Friday. Futures began trading last night in both cattle and hogs, and we're expecting them, the way they're setting right now anyway, cattle up about 60 to 70, hogs anywhere from 40 to 60 higher. We're playing with some resistance just above us here. Cattle have got good resistance around 90.50, and then again around the $91 area. If they could break through that here today, we could see another 50 cents to $1.50 added to that market rather quickly. So if you got any questions, give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish you a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.